Get out a sheet of paper. At the top of the paper, title it Chapter 10, Middle Ages Test. Write your first and last name in the top right-hand corner. Number from 1 to 18. Listen to the question and answers and choose the best answer. You may listen to the question and answers more than once if needed. Put the letter of the answer you believe to be correct on your paper. Number 1. Mineralism can best be described as A. The land given to the monasteries by different governments as a show of loyalty to the church. B. The political relationships between the king or queen, the nobility, and the peasants. C. The economic ties between the nobles and the peasants who worked on their lands. Number 2. Which number is the Strait of Gibraltar? Is it A, 7, B, 1, or C, 6? Number 2. Which number is the Strait of Gibraltar? Number 7, B, number 1, C, number 6. Number 2. Which number is the Strait of Gibraltar? A, 7, B, 1, C, 6. Number 3. Why did the serfs work on the land for the vassals? A, for military protection, B, in hopes of owning it, C, to have a place to live. Number 4. Which of these best describes how Charlemagne changed Europe? A. Charlemagne consolidated most of Western Europe as founder of the Holy Roman Empire. B. Charlemagne was the king of England and wanted to keep Europe separate from England. Or C. Charlemagne and King William conquered England at the Battle of Hastings in 1066. Number 5. The political order under feudalism was dependent upon the relationship between lords and their vassals. The responsibility of the vassal included A. The promise to spread the Christian faith to their lands, B. An oath of loyalty and a pledge of military service, or C. An agreement to keep the lower classes under control. Number 6. Which mountain range is nearest number 7? The Alps, B. Ural Mountain, C. Balkan Mountains. Which mountain range is nearest number 7? A. The Alps, B. Ural Mountain, C. The Balkan Mountains. Number 7. Feudalism began as A way for the military to secure its power over the peasants and landowners. B. A demand by the peasants for better living conditions and for a share in the economic prosperity of the Middle Ages. Or C. A contract in which the land was granted to the peasants in exchange for military service to the nobles. Which number is nearest the Iberian Peninsula? Which number on this map is nearer to the Iberian Peninsula? Is it number 5, B, number 1, or C, number 3? Number 9. Which mountain range is nearest to number 2? Is it A, the Pyrenees Mountains, B, the Ural Mountains, or C, the Balkan Mountains? Which mountain range is nearest to number 2? A, the Pyrenees Mountains, B, the Ural Mountains, or C, the Balkan Mountains? Number 10. Which of these is a way that Catholic monasteries preserved ancient languages and learning? A. They wrote stories about early Egyptian legends. B. They taught ancient Chinese beliefs on religion. Or C. They saved ancient Greek and Roman writings. Number 11. During the Middle Ages, how did Catholic religious leaders influence the kings and lords of Europe? A. The church had an army larger than any other feudal army. B. The church usually had bishops and cardinals made into kings. Or C. The church taught that it had authority over every person. Number 12. Which number is nearest the Thames River? Which number is nearest the Thames River? A. 1, B. 4, or C. 3? Attacks by Vikings and other invaders, weakening of centralized government, decisions of nobles to take over local defense. These things are describing what? A. The economic consequences of feudalism. B. The reasons for the development of feudalism. Or C. The development of social classes during feudalism. Number 14. What is the main feature of a medieval feudal society? A. An improved economic system based upon the introduction of paper, money, and credit. B. The population was mostly rural, made up of farming communities. Or C. The people began to assert their rights as individuals and demanded greater freedoms. Number 15. Governmental power in a feudal society was A. Weak and decentralized, with legal authority granted to those swearing allegiance to the lord or king. B. Enforced by the military and the church working together for the benefit of the lower class. Or C. Held by a parliament which was elected by the landowners and required the approval of the king. Number 16. Which of the following best describes a fief? A. The estate that was granted to the vassal. B. The oath of loyalty sworn to the monarch. Or C. The income raised by the peasants. Number 17. Feudalism is an example of A. A local government, B. A monarchy, C. A religious empire. Number 18. What caused Christianity to spread to Britain, Ireland, and Northern Europe? A. Christian emperors from Rome conquered these regions. B. Most Christians migrated north to escape the Roman Empire. Or C. Missionaries brought Christian teachings to these places.
Congratulations, you have finished your test. Make sure you have answered every question before turning in to your teacher.